Hello, I'm Michelle. Here's everything you need to know about the Planning Poker feature in AgileBox. First, let's explore what is Planning Poker. Planning Poker, also called Scrum Poker, helps Agile teams estimate the time and effort needed to complete each initiative on their product backlog. These cards, which look like playing cards, estimate the number of story points for each backlog story or task up for discussion. So how does it work on AgileBox? First, set up your planning game. You just need to fill in the game name, description, and invite your team members. This way can help you create your own meeting room and be the facilitator in the game. Or another way to join the game, Estimate Now. You can use the Estimate Now feature in AgileBox for immediate task estimation without filling out forms. It allows anyone to facilitate and lets all project members participate without needing an extra meeting. Now let's play Planning Poker game. Once the game begins, the facilitator will click the Start button. Within the allotted time, select the card that represents your vote. You can also discuss your choices with your teammates during the game. How to smooth a planning poker. Tip 1. Know your objective. Even as an experienced product owner or product manager, it's easy to lose sight of your objectives. So remind yourself and your team of the key purposes, defining the scope of work. Evaluating tasks based on effort, difficulty, complexity, risk, or time required. Tip 2. Explaining the rules. If you are a facilitator, explain the planning poker rules to all participants. Clarify how the estimation scale works. This tip will help you guiding the team through the estimation process. Tip 3. Goal is reaching consensus. Encourage team members to explain their reasoning and consider different viewpoints to foster collaboration and reach a consensus. The facilitator should keep discussions on track and resolve conflicts. So that is everything you need to know in Planning Poker with AgileBox. Download our app on Atlassian Marketplace.